As a journalist, I have always worked near conflict. I covered disasters, terrorism, crime, politics.
As a journalist, you are taught that every story has two sides. I knew there had to be another way.
There had to be a better way.
I picked up the phone and I called Amanda and I said, I think there's something here and it's bigger than journalism.
Is there a way for us to help people take everything we've learned and turn it into daily routines?
When I think of the term good conflict, I think of conflict done right. Healthy conflict, useful conflict.
So good conflict is the kind of conflict that makes us stronger.
It is not about changing minds and getting people to agree with one another.
Conflict is not the problem. We need conflict.
We have worked with all sorts of people. Educators, politicians, journalists, filmmakers, leaders within organizations.
It's not possible to change other people, unfortunately, but it is possible to get into good conflict in your own head.
What's most exciting for us is when they start to realize there is a way out, that they can turn this conflict into an opportunity.
Because conflict is not going away. It's here to stay. And so our best option is to get smarter about how we fight.
The mission of Good Conflict is to help people understand themselves, those they disagree with, our world, and the issues and challenges that we're facing a bit better.